I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to sign up on Facebook. For that, first of all, open up your Facebook app on your phone. After you open up your app, at the bottom of the page you'll see the option of create new account. Tap on it. Now tap on get started. Enter your first name and your last name. And when you're done, tap on next. After that, enter your birth date and tap on continue. Now you'll have to select your gender and then tap on next. Enter your phone number, or if you want to use your email, tap on use your email address and enter your email address. Again, tap on next. Now set a password. Make sure that your password is a combination of at least 6 numbers, letters and punctuation marks. When you're done, click on next. Select sign up. After that, Facebook will send you a confirmation code on your mail. Enter the confirmation code and then tap on submit. To add a profile picture, you can choose from camera roll or take a photo. For now, I'm going to choose a profile picture from my camera roll. Select a photo that you want to upload. Adjust the photo and then tap on use, which is on top right. Click on get started. A pop-up message will appear on your screen asking if you'd like Facebook to access your contacts. Now add your current city and tap on save, which is on bottom right. Now you'll need to add your hometown and then again tap on save, which is on bottom right. Now add your school, college, company, relationship status and cover photo. Your profile is now updated. After that, tap on view your profile, which is at the bottom of your screen. This way you can easily create Facebook account. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.